Hey guys, I wanted to show off a new product that we're putting in homes. It's pretty neat, something that I'm excited about. This used to be a 3-toggle switch that had the controls for the light that was behind me, a couple lights outside, and it wasn't able to control another light in the kitchen that the customer wanted to be able to control due to some probably inappropriate wiring at the time the house was built. But I want to just show one of the cool features. So when you walk up to this, you can have scenes that are put together for the home. But I have programmed a scene in here that is called Good Morning. So if I press Good Morning, it will turn on all the lights, including the overhead light, this light, and we'll start the music on the Sonos over in the corner using a playlist or whatever you have programmed. The same can be done if I wanted to say good night at the end of the night. It will go in and shut everything down. You can see all the lights have turned off, and this can extend even outside of this room. Also want to show I can control my Nest thermostats from here. So instead of having to go back to the thermostat, you could actually change the downstairs thermostat, upstairs thermostat, however many thermostats you have. One of the other cool things is Alexa's built into it. And then if you had a Sonos system, you can actually control Sonos systems. So you can add some playlists in here. Let's say you have a party playlist or whatever. You can simply walk up to it. You don't have to open the phone or anything. You can just go ahead and start it. And then go back. If you want to add other rooms, you can come in here and kind of go into the different rooms and control them from a Sonos perspective. And then as you saw when we first walked up, there was an image on there, and that image actually is customizable, so you can put whatever you want on there. Like I said, this is a 3-toggle switch. If it was just a 1-toggle switch, it's actually just the screen here, and you use gestures on the screen. One of the other cool things is there is a camera system. So if you've got other cameras or other switches, you can live view those switches and go into those rooms. You can intercom in those rooms, all types of things, and a lot of integrations with different products. This thing is extremely cool, and I think even can dramatically impact the functionality of a light switch, where in this room, this overhead light could only be controlled over there. So when you walked in the door, you had to walk over there in the dark. Now, this is programmed to control that smart light switch over there so that the light can be turned on from here. It can also be dimmed, so you can kind of control it just as if you were standing over there at that other light switch. So some cool basic functionality to get rid of some annoyances, but then also some really nice integration with other smart home products in the home. Check these out. We are a direct dealer of these. They're called Brilliant switches, or our company name is Brilliant, and we're keeping these in stock, and we're starting to roll these out for customers at their homes. A great way to control a smart home without having to talk to a smart assistant. Just being able to press buttons very tactically on the wall and not have to say, so-and-so do this, or try to figure out what the command is. It's already kind of right there in your face. Anyways, check back. We'll post more as we get more of these deployed out. So far, they're working great.